So I will just like to give you a few dates and then we'll take you to few of the facts regarding the poll in Mizoram. One thing is that the date of poll which has been announced for Mizoram is on 28th November 2018 and the date of counting which has been announced is 11 December 2018. So these are the two important dates. In Mizoram we have got 8 number of districts and total 40 assembly constituencies for which election will be held. Out of this 40, 39 constituencies are reserved for a scheduled tribe and one constituency is unreserved, which is Aizawl East 1. Total number of polling stations which are at present in Mizoram is 1164. 1164, I will repeat. And this election will be managed through 139 sectors. Those will be under the command of one sector officer, and sector is just cluster of polling stations. So, and we have already published our electoral roll very recently on 27th September, and the total number of electors in Mizoram is 7,68,181. So many voters will be able to cast the vote for the coming election. So as you know that all of you know it very well, that the moment Election Commission of India announces the poll, the model code of conduct comes into operation immediately. So right now, from instant, we are having the model code of conduct, and model code of conduct is meant for the all the political parties, for the party in power, and also for government officials also on certain issues, how they have to act on having meeting with the minister and all those kind of things. So it's a very elaborate arrangement we have already made so that model code of conduct is enforced. Model code of conduct, I will not be able to answer the specific question that you are asking unless we examine it. But the point just I want to make it that with the announcement of model code of conduct, a few things come into operation immediately. One is that anything which is new announcement which is likely to influence the voters, that will not be allowed. Any new project etc. cannot be announced. So all those things which have direct linkage with the voter and influencing the voter, that will come into a picture. One more thing which I would like to share with you will be that like all the government websites etc. Political executive pictures and all are there. So either that will be hidden or that have to be removed. So these are very standard things which come into operation.